Hello. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 duvet inserts review. We made this list based on our personal opinion that's a result of research for an hour. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification, and all other important facts. We've tried to select them from the various price ranges, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find the product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Best 5 duvet inserts review. On the top of our list at number 1, we have King Comforter Duvet Insert White. A smart and reliable duvet insert is one of the best down alternative comforter, able to protect against dust mites. There are so many reasons for being satisfied as the users are. For such an affordable price, you will hardly able to find out another one which can provide such comfort. Besides such comfort, this one looks very nice also. Item number 2 is Linen Spa All Season White Down. One of the best down alternative microfiber comforter is allergen-free and able to provide exceptional performance. It is made of high-quality materials and the most important thing is design. In fact, the reversible color scheme allows matching the bedroom decor. Perfect for all seasons, and this ultra comfort item will make you satisfied. As item number 3, we've selected Pinzan Hypoallergenic Down. This is a hypoallergic item that is also perfect for the colder months. Though you may feel a few more weight, this one can provide the maximum comfort. It provides a quick warm, and this down alternative is at an affordable price. In fact, this is the best choice for a comfortable night sleeping that has almost all the entire useful facilities. Item number 4 is Clara Clark King Alternative. You will find this very reliable for its quality. Made of double brushed microfiber grains, and users will have maximum comfortability. Also, this one is great for durability. This is environment friendly and antibacterial. The microfiber material is more durable than cotton. Besides, the microfiber is breathable and cool. The additional smart design allows having great comfort. And finally, item number 5 in our list is Equinox Comforter. This one is not only comfortable, besides it looks so nice also. If you have been suffering from allergies, or even if you have sensitive skin, the microfiber cover is so useful for sensitive skin. Cleaning is so easy with just your hand or with the machine. After that, you can store this easily. Perfect for using in any season, as it will not weigh the user down.